Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shifa Najwa. I'm from class TBI 1A. Here, I'd like to present my last assessment of English language oracy for daily communication, and the title is Measuring Student Understanding of Useful Expressions. Measuring students' understanding of useful expressions, there are 1. Useful phrases for describing something, people, things, place. 2. Useful phrases for telling past event, recall. 3. Useful phrases for reporting something. 4. Useful phrases for explaining something. 5. Useful phrases for telling issues and arguments. 6. Useful phrases for telling procedure. And last, 7. Useful phrases for telling stories. And now, first, he has a friendly smile that makes people feel comfortable around him. Meaning, example, Donnie has a friendly smile. And people feel comfortable around him because Donnie smiled. And the sentence used when describing someone's good qualities or impressions. Second, she looks confident and speaks when calm tone. Meaning, she has confidence and when speaking with other people, use calm tone. And the sentence used when describing a person's demeanor or way of speaking. And the third is he is tall and energetic, especially when he plays sport. Meaning, he has tall body and energetic, especially when he plays sport. Example, play football, basketball, volleyball, and other sports. The sentence used when describing a person's physical appearance and energy. The fourth is she has long, straight hair that she always ties neatly. Meaning, she has long hair, but she always ties neatly. That is describing person. The sentence used when describing specific physical appearance, details, hairs. The 5 is this smartphone is very useful because it helps me study online. Meaning, maybe the smartphone is very smart when I study online because it has technological and the sentence used when explaining the benefits or use of an object. The 6th is my laptop is lightweight and easy to carry everywhere. Meaning, my laptop is lightweight and can easy to carry everywhere. Example, to campus, to school, to office, and to another place. The sentence used when describing the portability and weight features of an object. The 7 is the bag is made of strong material and has several useful compartments. Meaning, that bag is made of strong material and has several useful compartments. And the sentence used when describing the material, strength, and functional features of an object. And now, number 8, My room is small but comfortable to study in. My room is comfortable and can make people live in my room because my room is very comfortable. The sentence is used when describing the size of the place but emphasizing comfort. Number 9. Our classroom is bright and has a positive learning atmosphere. Meaning, our classroom is bright and big and the place has positive learning atmosphere. The sentence used when describing the physical environment, conditions, and atmosphere of a place. And the last, number 10, the library is quiet and perfect for reading books, meaning the library is very quiet and make people come to the library because the library feel quiet. The sentence used when describing the ideal atmosphere for certain activities in a place. The second is telling past event. The first, last weekend, I went to the beach with my family. And the meaning is when last weekend I go to beach with my family and I'm feeling happy because I go to there with my family. The sentence used when starting a story about the activities carried out the previous weekend. The second, we had a great time enjoying the sunshine. The meaning is I'm happy because I enjoying the sunshine because the sunshine is so beautiful, so good, so wonderful. The sentence used when concluding or expressing enjoyment of an activity. The third is the weather was perfect for outdoor activities, meaning the weather is perfect, really perfect for outdoor activity. Example, for enjoying to the cafe, so study in the cafe, another. The sentence used when describing weather conditions that support the activity being told. The fourth, I took many pictures to remember the moment, meaning I took many pictures for a memory in my life and to remember the moment. The sentence used when explaining actions taken to immortalize an experience. Number 5 is we tried new food that tastes amazing, meaning we tried and make new food and the taste is amazing. The sentence used when telling about new foods or culinary delights in the experience. Number 6, I met my old friend while walking around the city, meaning I met my old friend because I really miss her, and we're take a walk around the city. The sentence used when telling about an unexpected event, meeting someone on the way. Number 7, yesterday I studied until midnight to finish my assessment, meaning yesterday I studied hard until midnight to finish my assessment because the assessment so difficult. The sentence used when recounting activities that required great effort the previous day. Number 8. Last year, I joined an English competition at school. Meaning, last year I joined an English competition at school. The competition is storytelling. And I winner that competition. The sentence used when telling about participation in an event in the previous year. Number 9. I felt nervous at first, but later I became confident. I felt nervous. When the first I entered to university, I felt nervous, but later I became confident because every day I'm always study hard. The sentence used when explaining emotional change during an event. Number 10. We celebrate my birthday with a small family gathering. Meaning, we celebrate my family, my family celebrate my birthday because my 17th birthday with a small family gathering. The sentence use when telling about celebration or special event. The third is reporting something. The first, my teacher said that we would have a test next week. Meaning, my teacher said next week we have a test because we have study every day and the test will become. The sentence used when conveying information or announcements from the teacher. Second is, my friend told me that he was feeling tired yesterday. My friend told me because he was feeling tired yesterday of his daily activity. Sentence used when reporting someone's circumstance or feelings. The third is, the news reported that the weather would get worse tomorrow. The news reported give us because tomorrow because circumstance tomorrow feeling bad. The sentence used when conveying predictions or information from news source. Number 4 is, she told me that she had finished her homework. Meaning, she gave me no when she have her homework. The sentence used when reporting one's task completion status. Number 5. He said that he could attend the meeting. Meaning, he said that he cannot attend the meeting because he is very busy. The sentence used when reporting someone's absence or excuse. Number 6. The school announced that the event was postponed. Meaning, school announced that the event was postponed because the teacher is there another activities, there another agenda, and the teacher is busy maybe. The sentence used when delivering an official announcement from the institutions. The 7th is, the doctor advised me to take a rest for a few days. Meaning, doctor accompanied me to take a rest because I'm getting sick for a few days. The sentence used when conveying professional advice or recommendations. The eighth is my parents told me to focus on my studies, meaning my parents told me to focus on my studies because for my future rather. The sentence used when conveying instructions or expectations from parents. The ninth is the lecturer explained that this topic was important for the exam, meaning the lecturer explained because the topic was important for the exam later. The sentence used when reporting an explanation of the importance of a material. And the last 10, my classmate informed me that the schedule had changed. My classmate give me know or inform me that the schedule had changed. The sentence used when conveying updates or change to information. The next is the fourth is explaining something. The first, this means that we need to pay more attention to the instructions, meaning this means that we need to pay more attention to the instruction anything. The sentence used when deducing that the consequence or meaning of a statement or situations. Second is what I want to explain is the main idea of this chapter. Meaning, what I want to explain is the main idea of this chapter. Maybe I want to explain the main idea of the story or the historical anything. The sentence used when starting an explanation state the main focus topic. The third, this concept help us understand how the system works. Meaning, this concept help us understand how the system works. Maybe system work for system work in cafe, in market, and in other place. The sentence used when explaining the benefits or role of a concept in understanding. The fourth is the purpose of this activity is to improve our speaking skills. The purpose this activity to improve our speaking skill because the purpose of this activity one try to try our speaking skills is good or is bad. The sentence used when stating the purpose of an activity or process. Number 5 and 5. Let me explain how this process actually happens in real life. Meaning, let me explain how this process, maybe this process is this process of study. The process of study actually happens in real life. The sentence used when offering a detailed explanation of the practical implementation. of a process. The sixth is, in simple words, this theory shows how people learn language. Meaning, this theory wants how our language, our learn language. The sentence used when conveying complex theories or concepts for easier understanding. The seven is, this example illustrates why good communication is important. Meaning, this example why good communication this example illustrates why good communication is important, because communication is important for our daily communication. The sentence used when using example to show the importance of something. The eighth, the reason is that practice helps us become more confident. Meaning, the reason that practice help us become more confident, because we everyday practice and we be confident. The sentence used when giving a reason or justification for a result or action. The ninth is, to clarify the idea, I will give another example. Meaning, clarify the idea, I will give another example. Because there much idea, I will give for example. The sentence used when realizing there needed to be more clarity and offering additional examples. Number 10, basically this situation teacher as an important lesson about responsibility. Meaning, the teacher teach us about responsibility, because responsibility is important. The sentence used when deducing the lesson or moral of a situation. Number 5, telling issues and argument. Telling issues and arguments. One major issue in our society is the lack of awareness about health. Meaning, one major issue in our society is the lack of awareness about health. Because now, much people which getting sick because awareness about health is the lack of awareness about health. The sentence used when introducing significant social problems. Second, the main argument is that everyone should have equal access to education. Meaning, any people believe that technology improve learning while others disagree. The sentence used when presenting two contrasting points of view on a topic. 4. The issue has become more serious in recent years. Meaning, the issue has become more serious in recent years because the important issue might be. The sentence used when emphasizing the severity of a problem over time. 5. One possible solution is to promote better public education. Meaning, one possible solution is to promote better public education because education important and want be better education. The sentence used when proposing suggestion or possible actions to overcome the problem. Number 6. Many argue that social media has both positive and negative impact. Meaning, social media has positive and negative impact. Positive impact is get news in Instagram or TikTok, and the negative impact is we can play handphone every time. The sentence used when presenting a balanced view, pro and contra about something. Number 7. Another important point is that young people depend too much on gadgets. Meaning, young people too much on gadget, whereas Gen Z. The sentence used when adding other supporting arguments to the discussions. Number 8. Some experts say that online classes can reduce student motivation. Meaning, some experts say that online classes can reduce student motivation. Because online class can reduce student motivation because the real study is the offline class. The sentence used when citing expert opinions to support negative claims. Number 9. Others argue that online learning offers more flexibility. Meaning, people opinion that online learning offers more flexibility. The sentence used when presenting a counter-argument opposition to a previous claim. Number 10. The problem needs immediate attention from government. Meaning, because the problem is really serious, to be immediate attention from government. The sentence used while emphasizing the urgency of solving the problem by the authorities. Number 6 is telling procedure. First, prepare all the materials you need. Meaning, first step of telling procedure is prepare all materials you need. The sentence used when starting the initial steps or preparations before starting the process. Next, Follow the instructions step by step. Meaning, the instructions step by step. Because this is telling procedure. So we can do step by step. The sentence used when moving onto the next step, which requires precision. After that, check whether everything is working properly. Meaning check anything or everything is working properly, because the thing must be true or good. The sentence used when indicating a verification step after a process is partially completed. Number 4, make sure you read the guidelines carefully. Meaning, make sure you read the guidelines carefully, because we must be careful the guidelines carefully. Sentence used when providing important warnings before starting or continuing. Number 5, then mix all the ingredients together. Meaning, the ingredients mix all. Sentence used when providing specific actions instructions that follow the previous steps. Number 6, finally review the result to ensure it is correct. Meaning, finally review the result to ensure it is correct. The sentence used when stating the final step or conclusion of the procedure. Number 6, before you start, wash your hands thoroughly. Meaning, before you start the step, before you start on it or make something, you must washing hand. The sentence used when providing prerequisite hygiene or safety instruction. Number 8, when you finish, clean up your workspace. Meaning, if you don't, you must clean up your workspace, because the workspace is dirty after you do procedure. The sentence used when giving instructions regarding what to do after work is completed, post-process. Number 9, if you make a mistake, repeat the step again. Meaning, if you wrong or make a mistake, you must repeat from first step again. The sentence used when providing error handling instructions, troubleshooting. And number 10, this process helps you complete the task efficiently. This step help you complete the task efficiently. This sentence used concluding the benefits of following a given procedure. And And number 7, telling stories. Once upon a time, there was a girl who lived in a small village. Meaning, once upon a time, there was a girl who lived in a small village. The beautiful girl. Maybe. The sentence used when traditionally starting a fictional story, fairy tale, or fable. Number 2, the second. One day, something unexpected happened. Sentence. The meaning is one day something unexpected happened. The sentence used when introducing a turning point or triggering event in the story. Number 3, the suddenly a loud noise came from the forest. Meaning, suddenly a loud noise came from the forest. The sentence used when creating tension or introducing a sudden surprise. Number 4, the character felt scared but continued walking. Meaning, the character felt scared because loud noise came from the forest, but the character continued walking. The sentence used when describing a character's emotions and subsequent action. Number 5, then she met a stranger who offered to help her. Meaning, the meaning, she met a stranger or helper for help her. The sentence used while continuing the storyline by introducing new characters. Number 6, the story became more exciting when they found a hidden door. The meaning is the story became more exciting when they found a hidden door. The sentence used when explaining the build up to a climax or the reader's or listener's interest. Number 7, in the end, they learned an important lesson about courage. The meaning is, in the end, they learned an important lesson about courage. The sentence used when concluding the final result of the moral lessons learned. Number 8, everyone in the village celebrate their victory. Meaning is, all people, everyone in the village celebrate their victory. The sentence used when depicting society's reaction or celebration of a character's success. Number 9, the story teaches us that kindness always brings good results. Meaning, the story teaches us that kindness always brings good results. The sentence used while celebrating the main moral message of the narrative. Number 10 and last, number 10, they lived happily after. They lived happily ever after. Meaning, they lived happily ever after. The sentence used when traditional ending a fictional story with a happy ending. Maybe enough from me. Sorry for my mistake. Last I say you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.